Did you know that kimchi is consumed daily by 95% of Koreans and 2 million tons annually? It's a lot of kimchi. So my cultural artifact is on kimchi. And if you guys don't know what kimchi is, it's a traditional Korean side dish that consists of salted and fermented vegetables, most commonly made with napa cabbage. Kimchi is a staple food in Korean cuisine, and most Koreans have it with almost every meal at least once a day. Koreans eat meals with banchan, which are side dishes, and there will always be at least one type of kimchi present. So to me, culture can be defined as the ways of life, including traditions, symbols, language, norms, values, and beliefs. And this can be within a group of people, a nation, or a social group. And it is important to understand where someone comes from and the culture that they represent in order to avoid miscommunication, misunderstandings, and offending anyone. So if you look here, these are the ingredients that can be used for kimchi. A wide variety of seasonings and ingredients are used, including gochugaru, which is red pepper flakes, green onion, garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and salted small shrimp. These are the main ingredients, but depending on who is making it, can change what ingredients are added. So kimchi has a complex taste, and not every kimchi has the same taste. It is slightly salty because it has been pickled in salty brine, and it is also slightly spicy because of the red pepper flakes. A lot of people don't like kimchi because of its strong garlic smell. And the longer it ferments, the stronger and smell the flavor will be. So there are some health benefits, including it can boost your immune health, it is good for your gut, it's low in calories, it may lower cholesterol levels, and help with inflammation. It is also packed with a lot of nutrients like iron, folate, and vitamins. And these are just a few examples of the different kinds of kimchi that are made. The most common kimchi is made with vegetables from napa cabbage, radish, and cucumber. Other types of kimchi include chives, white kimchi that is made without the pepper powder, so it's not spicy, and there's perilla leaf, and more. It is also important to know how to store kimchi properly in order to keep it fresh longer. So the best way to store it is to keep it in an airtight container in the fridge. There are specialty fridges like a kimchi refrigerator that will help store kimchi at the perfect temperature. A constant cold temperature will help prevent spoilage and maintain optimal kimchi quality. So if you look at the picture to the left, this is like a kimchi kimjang festival, which is where people from all over Korea come together to make kimchi. So kimjang is a yearly activity that is done during the late autumn as part of the preparations to secure fresh, healthy food for the winter season. Family members and communities collectively make and share large quantities of kimchi to sustain families with fresh food through the long, hard winter. So these kimchi festivals held in Korea connect tradition and modern living through the kimjang culture and aims to become a site of harmony and sharing of Korean culture with international visitors. And then the picture to the right is what I'm more used to, which is where you help make kimchi at the convenience of your home with your aunts, mom, grandma, other cousins. So the picture to the right is actually why kimchi is very important to me. Or at least it's one of the main reasons why, and it's because my family makes it a tradition to make kimchi together yearly, or actually more often than just once a year. So my sister and cousins would come together to help my aunt make kimchi because the more people, the better, and you'll finish quicker with more hands on deck. This is something we enjoy doing because we all love kimchi and are able to share with each other when we're done preparing it, and this is a time for all of us to bond while we're making kimchi together. So this is something I actually really value. This is why I love kimchi.